Hi friend, today we see model question set of 12th geography, syllabus based on the Maharashtra board. Question 1, C. Identify the correct correlation. A is assertion and R is reasoning. This is question set 3. Let's start with the first question. A. Location and climate affect on primary activities. The sentence is correct because in coastal area, fishing activity, in a forest area, their gathering activity is dominant. That's mean location and climate affect on the primary activities. Then R, location and climate is not affecting on mining. This sentence is also correct because mining activity is no way associated to latitudinal extent or climatic belt. It is mainly related to geology, rock formation, and natural phenomena like faults and folds, etc. So here A and R is correct sentence, but R is not correct explanation of A. Then next question. A. Settlements can be of various types. The sentence is correct because only one type of settlements never found anywhere. Then R. Various physical factors affect the growth of settlement. This sentence is also correct because physical factors, for example, climate, physiography, that affect on the growth of settlements. That means both the sentences are correct, but R is correct, not a correct explanation of A, because with the physical factor, their human factor also affect on the growth of settlement. For example, if an area, road or railway constructed, then growth of settlements along the roads taken place and linear type of settlements is emerged. So R is not correct explanation of A. Then next question. A. In India, industries are found concentrated in few areas are available. The sentence is correct because there are some factors which are affecting on the location of industries, such as the climate, nature of raw materials. So this sentence is correct. Then R, India is predominantly agrarian country. This sentence is also correct because most of population is engaged in agriculture and allied activities. So here A and R is correct, but R is not correct explanation of A. Then next, international trade is imbalance. R, geographical diversity leads to occur trade. Both sentences are correct because due to the geographical diversity, various types of production is taken place in various countries. Where the scarcity of production, then trade is occur with other country. So because of this, international trade is imbalance. So here A and R is correct and R is correct explanation of A. So option C is answer. Then next question. Geography is dualistic in nature. This sentence is correct because geography is dualism between man and nature. Then R, it refers to existence of two contrasting and separate approaches of geographer. This sentence is also correct because they are having two contrasting or separate approaches of geographers such as the naturalism, possibilism, stop and go determinism. Some geographers says nature is dominant than man, and some says man is dominant than nature in possibilism. Man having ability to change in nature and survive. So here A and R is correct sentence and R is correct explanation of A. So option C is answer. Then next question. Areas which have fertile soil have dense population. This sentence is correct because Sparsely population is occur in infertile soil, such as the desert mountain region, and where having the fertile soil in that area, the dense population is found. For example, Great Gangetic Plain of Ganga River. Then our fertile soil are good for agriculture. This sentence is also correct because we are having fertile soil in that region, agriculture is well developed, and if agriculture is developed, then dense population is occur. So here A and R sentence is correct, and R is correct explanation of A. So answer is C. Then next, A, population of a region does not change. This sentence is not correct because it is not possible, because population is dynamic in nature. It is not stable. Then R, birth rate, death rate and migration affect the population of a region. This sentence is correct because birth rate, death rate and migration are the component of population change. That are affect the population of a region, sometimes positive change and sometimes negative changes that shows. So here only R sentence is correct. So correct option B is correct answer. Then next question, in stage 2 death rate reduces but birth rate is constant. R, the population increase rapidly in stage 2. In this early expanding stage, medical and health care services start to expanding. This leads to a reduction in mortality, but birth rate is constant. As a result, the population grows rapidly. So this stage 2 is also called population explosion phase. So here A and R is correct sentence, and R is correct explanation of A. So option C is answer. Then next question, A, increase in dependency ratio will affect the economy. The sentence is correct. If the number of children below 15 age group is high, the dependency ratio will high, and that burden on the economy of a country. Then R, medical costs are high when there are more elderly in the population. The sentence is also correct. Age group of plus 60 indicate greater expenditure for medical and health facilities for the aged population. So here A and R is correct, but R is not correct explanation of A, because in a R sentence they consider only old age population, but a dependency population there also included, children population also important. Then option is correct D. Then A, in population pyramid a broad base indicates high number of children in a country. The sentence is correct. This sentence is characteristic of an expansive pyramid that shows more people die at each higher band. Also shows high birth rate and high death rate also. Then R, broad apex is an indicator of high number of elderly in a country. The sentence is also correct because this is characteristic of constructive pyramid. This indicates lower percentage of younger people and more of elderly peoples. Also shows low birth rate and lower death rate. So here A and R sentence is correct, but R is not correct explanation of A. Then next question, the working population classified according to occupations is known as occupational structure. The sentence is correct. The working population, that is women and men, of the age group 15 to 59 take part in various primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary occupations. Then R, occupational structure indicate development of a country. The proportion of working population engaged in this sector is a good indicator of the level of economic development of a nation. This is because in developed economy, most of working population engaged in secondary and tertiary sector as compared to the primary sector. And in underdeveloped countries or backward region, most of working population engage in primary sector as compared to the other sector. So here A and R is correct sentence and R is correct explanation of A. So option C is answer. Then A, when city grow, their function also grow. Yes, the sentence is correct. With the development of any city, various functions are increased. Then R, city can have only one function. The sentence is wrong because this is not possible because various types of activities are concentrated in city. City does not carry out any only one function. Then the correct answer is A. Only A is sentence correct. Then next question. Cities can have various functions. The sentence is also correct because such as administrative, commercial, industrial, transportation and educational functions are done in the cities. Then R, state and national capitals provide various administrative services. The sentence is also correct because they generally carried out more than one functions. As they grow, one of these functions may be a major one. For example, state and nations capitals provide various administrative services. So here A and R is correct sentence and R is correct explanation of A. Then A, mining is developed in Chota Nagpur Plateau in India. R, Chota Nagpur Plateau have large deposits of coal and iron ore. Both the sentences are correct because this region rich in minerals resources deposition is found in Chota Nagpur Plateau. So here A and R are correct and R is correct explanation of A. Then next question. A, commercial lumbering is developed in Canada. The sentence is correct because about 60% of total land area covered by coniferous forest in Canada. Only one species of trees is found in this forest and softwood trees are tall. So lumbering industries is integrated, coordinated, well organized and well managed in Canada. So the sentence is correct. Then R, equatorial forests are very dense. Forests are very dense, luxuriant, and inaccessible. There are swamps, marsh, and insect pests, and wild animals. Sunlight does not reach the ground. So here, A and R is correct sentence, but R is not a correct explanation of A. Then next, A, Dogger Bank is famous for fisheries. R, it has extensive continental shelf and availability of plankton. These sentences are correct because Dogger Bank fishing ground of Northeast Atlantic Ocean nearby Europe is very famous for fisheries. A very broad continental shelves and mixing of warm and cold ocean currents make enough availability of fish food plankton. Thus, Dogger Bank a nice breeding ground for fishes. So here A and R is correct sentence and R is correct explanation of A. Then next, the humid climate of Mumbai offered great scope for the development of cotton textile industries. This sentence is correct because ginning, spinning, weaving are some important process of textile industries, of which the spinning and weaving need humid climate. Hence, most of cotton textile industries are located in a humid climate of coastal region of Mumbai. It is market-oriented activities needs skilled and semi-skilled labor force which is readily available in cities. Then our sentence, industries require ample amount of water. The sentence is also correct because water for cooling, smelting, washing such industries located near the bank of river or near lakes. So in every industries their need required the amount of water. So here A and R is correct sentence, but R is not correct explanation of A. Then in India, diversity is found in industrial production. The sentence is correct because there are some factors which are affecting on the industrial productions, such as the physical factors, climate, raw materials, then economic factors, transportation, proximity to markets, political factors such as the government policy, environment policies that are affecting on the industrial productions. Then R. India is predominantly agrarian country. This sentence is also correct because most of population is engaged in agriculture and allied activities. So here A and R is correct sentence, but R is not a correct explanation of A. Then next, A, some factor are unfavorable for the development of industries in South America. This sentence is correct. R, most of the region in South America is occupied by Amazon River Basin. This sentence is also correct because most of area of South America is covered by Amazon River Valley. The region like Chile, Peru located on the western margin of the continent's lack of plain lands in that area, less population in the South America, so less local demand is there. Economically and technologically, it is area is poor. So all these factors have unfavorable for the development of any industries in South America. So here A and R is correct sentence and R is correct explanation of A. Then next question. A, manufacturing is not found in tertiary activities. R, tertiary activity provides various types of services. Both sentences are correct because tertiary sector does not involve any production directly, also known as unproductive sector. It is link between the primary secondary sector, supportive services provided like trade, exchange, transport, communication, finance, storage, etc. provide services, so it is also called the service sector. So here A and R is correct sentence and R is correct explanation of A. Then next question. A, quaternary activities are mostly on individual level. R, quaternary activities are intellectual based activities. Both sentences are correct because quaternary related to one's intelligence, skills, competences. These activities lead to specialization in the concern of knowledge or area. These activities remain restricted to few individuals. Individuals are experts famous in a respective field. So here A and R is correct sentence and R is correct explanation of A. Then next question. Ocean water transport is the cheapest mode of transport. This sentence is correct because as compared to the other mode of transportation, the water transportation is cheapest mode of transportation. And R, 71% of water is found in the earth surface. This sentence is also correct. So here A and R is correct, but R is not correct explanation of A. Then next, A, population and regional development are affecting each other. This sentence is correct. Population factor indicate regional development and regional development indicate qualitative factor of population. Both the sentences are correct. Because if an area having resources, but they need to know use of that resource, how to exploit it, need to develop technology regarding to that. That means number of population is not important. The quality of population is an important. So here A and R is correct sentence and R is correct explanation of A. Then next question. A, functional region should not be homogeneous always. The sentence is correct. A region which have bound by a common functions is called the functional region. Functional region is found to be heterogeneous or incoherent in nature. It may include more than one formal region. Then R, formal region should be homogeneous. The sentence is also correct because a region which has one or more shared characteristic in is common is called the formal region. The formal region is found to be homogeneous, coherent in nature. It includes only one region having distinct features. For example, political region like taluka, districts, and physical region, for example, mountain region, coastal region, forest area. So here A and R sentences are correct, but R is not correct explanation of A. Then next question. The physical regions are based on physical factors. This sentence is correct. A region demarcated on the basis of distinct physical features like elevation, landforms, climate, soil, forest cover, rainfall, etc. This physical region demarcation is simple. And then next are political region are based on human factors. The sentence is also correct because a region demarcated on the basis of human factors like per capita income, literacy rate, language spoken, occupational carried out, etc. Demarcation of this region is complex. So here A and R sentence is correct, but R is not correct explanation of A. Then next question. Physical geography studies about human activity. This sentence is wrong because physical geography studies natural activities. Physical geography studies the existence and functioning of natural phenomena, study of natural processes. Branches of physical geography is climatology, geomorphology, oceanography. So this sentence is wrong. Then R, man is a center of human geography. This sentence is correct because human geography studies the interrelationship between the human and his surrounding is known as the human geography. Study of human process, social, economic, cultural features included in the scope of human geography. So here only R is the correct sentence and A is wrong sentence. Then next question. A. Nature of human geography is dynamic. This sentence is correct because geographers explain the geographical phenomena on the basis of fact and factors relationship. Nature of geography as a branch of knowledge is changing very fast and becoming more and more applied. Thus, geography is dynamic in nature. Then R. Branches of human geography are correlated to each other. This sentence is also correct because human geography is main branch of geography. It is the centric discipline of geography subject. All branches of human geography are also centric to man. Besides, all these sub branches are complementary and interconnected to each others. For example, in population geography, they studies distribution and demographic characteristic of population. In settlement geography, they study about the living place of population. In economic geography, they studies the economic activities carried out by the man. And in social and cultural geography, they studies the social and cultural aspect and traditions, linguistic. So here A and R sentence is correct and R is correct explanation of A. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.